guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something really exciting. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I'm finally doing it. So basically I'm not scared to fly, but I'm kind of nervous about like the unknown of it, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but I am going to go ride on a helicopter today because I'm sick of worrying about like what it's gonna be like. I decided I'm gonna go ride a helicopter today and I'm really excited, and I thought it would be super fun to take you guys along with me so you guys could see my first time. And also, if there's anybody else out there that's kind of scared to fly on a plane or a helicopter or whatever, I'm gonna show you guys that's not that scary, because it's not, and these people are professionals and there's really no reason to be scared. I also want this to look back on because I think that's super fun. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're about to leave, so I guess I will see you guys when I get there. Okay, I'm home, and that was the coolest thing ever. I highly recommend going on a helicopter because that was just, it was so cool. I really loved it, and it was just so exciting. It was very new, and I can't really explain it, but it feels like you're not even, I felt like it would be like a roller coaster, how you'd feel if you're on a roller coaster, but you can't even tell that you're moving, really. It's just so different, and it wasn't anything like I expected it to be, and I am really glad I got over my little hang up with flying, so that was really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the overhead view of the ocean and all that fun stuff that I filmed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it encouraged you, if you were dealing with the same thing, to try something new and just see if you like flying before you decide that you don't, because honestly I felt like I was never gonna go fly because it was kind of terrifying me. Just thinking about it terrified me. So I got over that, and I'm so happy that I enjoyed it, and I think that you guys should give it a try too if you're dealing with the same thing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.